Folks, look at SharperTrades. As you can see, up, down, up, down. We have a sideways consolidation on the SPY. Resistance remain at the 575 all-time high, and the targets are the same. 579, 586. Support is 570, and then further down 562 and the 50 SMA. Mixed conditions, but again, the technicals remain bullish. So we'll take it. By the way, quickly, NVIDIA making a good day, extending today. This is one of the reasons why the market is moving higher. NVIDIA is still a key player. Apple also moved up, Google a little bit. But anyway, NVIDIA is leading and approaching the first target 134, 144, 156 at the next level. Support is the 88. They're swinging it. And then further down, we're looking at the 120. Anyway, back into the individual stocks. AFRM, I like the current consolidation above this breakout low, roughly 37.50, dip below here, recovered. So it's built in a base. If we remove this noise, it's kind of independent or extended. So, and a large one, because this company moves in big waves. So anyway, it's an extended pennant. Eventually, if it breaks through the top, primarily I'm looking at this I-45. Let's also draw a horizontal trend line. So somewhere through here, let's see if it happens in the next 2 days or longer. Anyway, looking for the breakout and the target for AFRM, 44, that's upcoming resistance. 47, 51, 54, support is the 38. Good big day on Investors Day announcement in December, making a move with volume through this recent high, 24. They was a day trade, went as high as 25.80, very strong, 26, 27.40, and 29 targets. Support is up to the candle and today low. PANW with the cyber security, attempting a trendline breakout, looks good with volume, a little bit, needs more. Approaching the first target at 558, next level 566 and 572. Support is today low and the 80 MA. UPST breaking out, at least appears to. I like the look of this chart. Volume there, very good, back in August. And now looks like it's ready for the next move. We're looking for, let's put something in between, 46, 49, 54, 58. Support is the 80 MA and then the 34 MA down at 38. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.